Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Rai Details. Today I am going to make falafel with hummus. It is a traditional Middle Eastern food and mainly made of ground chickpeas. But today I will make it with chickpeas and instant oats. And the hummus, it is a deep spread or savory dish that is made of cooked and mashed chickpeas and with tahini. So let's make the hummus first. At first, I have taken a pressure cooker, adding 1 cup chickpeas soaked for at least 6 hours. Now I am adding water, and the water volume should be triple of the chickpeas. Then adding 2 teaspoons salt and then adding 1 teaspoon baking soda. Now cover it and cook for at least 4 to 5 whistles. In the meantime, I have placed a pan on gas and added half cup sesame seeds and roasting it for at least 1 to 2 minutes on low to medium heat, but don't over roast it. Tahini is made of sesame seeds and olive oil, and this tahini gives Middle Eastern food a good flavor. So done. Then take a mixing jar and adding the boiled chickpeas. Adding the roasted sesame seeds. Now I am adding 1/4 cup beaten curd. If you don't have curd, then add 1 tablespoon lime juice instead of curd. Adding salt 1 teaspoon. Now adding 1 teaspoon roasted cumin seed powder, and this cumin seed powder gives a nice flavor to the Middle Eastern foods. And adding 2 tablespoon olive oil. Olive oil must be needed. Without olive oil, Middle Eastern food's flavor doesn't come in the food. Now I have added 5 to 6 garlic pods cut into halves. Now cover it and blend it. See, it is done. Now pour it in a bowl. Our hummus is ready. Cover it and keep it in refrigerator. Now let's make the falafel. I have taken a mixing jar and adding 1 cup chickpeas soaked for at least 6 hours. You can soak it for overnight also. I have taken same amount of chickpeas for hummus and falafel because I will make the falafel with oats and chickpeas. Now I am adding 5 to 6 garlic pods cut into halves. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon white vinegar. You can add lemon juice also instead of vinegar. Adding 1 teaspoon salt Now I have added 1 teaspoon roasted cumin seed powder. I have told previously the cumin seed powder gives nice flavor to the Middle Eastern foods. Now cover it and blend it. Done. See, some chickpeas are yet to be blended. So I will add 1/4 cup water gradually to blend the remaining chickpeas. Again blend it. All chickpeas are blended. Now I have added 2 chopped green chili and 2 medium-sized onion chopped. You can add chili as per your taste. Again blend it. Done, and pour it in a bowl. Now I am adding 7 to 8 teaspoon corn flour. Corn flour acts as a binding agent. Mix it. Now I have added salt as per taste and 1 teaspoon baking soda. After mixing them, I will add 1 cup instant oats. Adding oats, give a good mix. I will give shape to this mixture. See, I am making small balls from this mixture and will fry them. For frying, I will use refined oil. So I have added refined oil in a pan and I will add the small balls gradually. I will fry them in batches. Fry each side for at least 4 to 5 minutes on low to medium flame. After frying one side, turn to other sides. And fry the balls until they turn into brown color. Done. Now taking them out of pan. First batch is completed. Now fry the second batch. This batch should be fried as the first batch is fried. Second batch is also done. Now fry the remaining batches. All batches are completed. Now serve them in a plate. Already hummus is ready previously. Now I have just finished the falafel. Serving the both together. Keeping the hummus in the bowl, and we'll make a hole in between to pour little bit of olive oil. So our healthy falafel with hummus is ready. Now time to decorate it. Decorate it with some chickpeas, and this should be boiled. So if you like this recipe, then please do like, comment, and can share it with your friends. And to watch more recipes, please quickly subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.